Mr. Cohen. Okay. Mr. Kamau. Thank you very much. Michael? It's going to be very magnanimous. All these respondents released on a personal bond of 500,000 to go home. And means you don't interfere with witnesses, you comply with the court order. That means when the prosecutor and the investigator call you to go to Kenyatta National Hospital, you must present yourself for DNA extraction.
We still stand firm that they are innocent and they will go for a DNA testing as and when we agree. We have postponed the matter towards January 16th.
Has been gracious enough to grant all the respondents that are in the matter, the 9 that were already there before and an additional 4 have been granted a personal bond, meaning they do not have to pay any cash bail, but they are on a personal bond.